Welcome back to the FilmSpark.ai tutorial series. The storyboard is where we turn your screenplay into shot images and then into video. The Copilot has already pre-generated descriptions for every shot in your story. You are then given the option to generate all the images and videos for your project. We recommend starting with only images to get a sense of your shots first. This will use your default image model. Adjust the size slider to your desired viewing scale. You can also click Open Preview at any time to view a slideshow of the current state of your story. To view a single shot, just click on it to expand the shot view. Every shot is driven by the shot description. If you want to refine a scene, edit the text here and click Generate Shot Details. The console then populates the fields below to match your vision. The shot details are divided into sections to make editing simple. You can change the shot type, focal length, lighting, lens setting, and much more. If auto prompt is checked, all the info in the fields are automatically fed into the prompt. FilmSpark has also pre-selected the correct characters and locations for each shot, which you can always edit. To generate the image, click the shot button. The resulting image closely follows the image prompt and matches the look of the selected actors. You can always try different models inside FilmSpark. In the model selection menu, we'll select Nano Banana Pro. This model is specifically optimized for professional creators who need maximum detail and character consistency. Sometimes you don't need to regen a shot, but you just want to edit. Editing images is one of the most powerful features in FilmSpark. By clicking Edit, we can use the Nano Banana Pro editing model, or any other model from our list, to adjust the existing frame without losing our visual continuity. In addition to a prompt, you can use FilmSpark's built-in Paint tool to mark specific areas for change. Just annotate the area you want to modify, update the prompt, and click Generate Edit. The console preserves your consistent characters and background while updating only the selected detail. All your past generations are tracked in your history. You can always go back and reuse old prompts and generations, nothing is lost. If you want to download your image to your computer, just click the download button. You can also easily navigate between shots by clicking the arrow buttons. When you are happy with your shot images, you are ready to bring them to life. In our next tutorial, we'll move from static storyboard images into video. FilmSpark.ai, your complete AI production console. Stop generating, start directing.